100 jobs! So, yo guys, what's up? It's Reb and ayun, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng 100 job application versus me. So, sino nga ba ako? My name is John Albert T. Rebangcos. Kakagraduate ko lang nung September 18 as a Diploma in Computer Engineering and Technology. And then, for today's video, mag-apply tayo ng 100 jobs kasi hanap ako work. So, ayun, ang una kong gagawin dito, we're gonna think systematically. We will use our big brain. So, ang gagawin natin is gagawa muna tayo ng AI to help me apply to these jobs. Then, ayun, saka tayo mag-apply. So, may naisip na ako kung paano ako gagawin. So, ang naisip kong gawin is gumawa ng automated gem that we will give us yung mga kailangan natin cover up letters. Ang kailangan lang doon is for me to feed my resume, I think. And then, because our resume will be handling that part ng mga information. So, I'm gonna show you how to create a Gemini gem that will give you a distinctive or rather a complete version na kung paano kayo dapat mag-apply. So, to create a gem, I'll be using my pro account here. So, to create a gem, we'll be using, you just give it a name, pangalanan mo lang, gawin mo job application yan. Then, sa instructions, ito yung prompt, you're a job coach, professional AI assistant. Then, ito, scope of knowledge, yung resume, formatting, phrasing, tailoring job, writing stronger cover, statements of using STAR method, then guidance of professional communication, emailing HR, follow-up, thank you notes. Then, nagsiset up tayo ng behavior rules dyan. So, sa behavior rules natin, ito yung mga always tailor output specific to job posting kasi magbibigay lang tayo ng job titles. Then, siya na bahala mag-generate ng dito, cover up letters. So, then, use action verbs kasi yun yung mga hinahanap ng HRs. Then, provide multiple phrasing options. So, dito, pagka-preferred to natin is professional, magkakaroon lang tayo ng professional output. Pag hindi naman professional, edi hindi professional output. Mag-base yun sa email ng ating mga hiring team. So, ayun, pag professional yung output ng email nila, di professional output yung lalabas ito. At kung hindi naman, ayun, ganun. Then, give step feedback. So, ayan. Avoid generic filter. So, para mas mukhang maging tao yung gumawa. Then, act like mentor, HR coach. For example, give structured bullet points. Ito yung, pinaka-baseline na, kunyari, magtatanong tayo, anong kailangan na requirements. So, hindi na siya plain na response ng Gemini. Magkakaroon na siya ng, structured answers, such as may bullet points, outline, and templates. Then, encourage confidence. So, ayun, ask clarifying questions if the job or industry isn't specific. So, ayun, magtatanong siya, ba't ganito yung ina-apply mo, hindi ka naman nag-graduate yan? Mga ganon. Then, sa knowledge, ang kailangan lang natin dito natin kailangan mag-upload ng mga resume ng iba, interviews and such. Ang kailangan natin dito is yung ating resume. So, after nyan, ayun na, okay na yung ating job application. So, for example, yan. Lalagay mo lang dito kung ano yung a-applyan mo. Marami na akong in-applyan. So, meron na tayong 6. Pag tinanong mo, i-check mo pala muna kung nababasa niya yung resume mo. Type mo lang who am I. So, ayan. Goodies na yung mga yan. Sabihin mo lang kung ano yung na-applyan mo. For example, on-site support engineer, siya nang bibigyan ng cover letter, pwede ka na mag-apply sa JobSeek. So, yun lang. Panoorin natin kung gaano katagal using AI can I apply in 100 jobs. guys, it's 12:40. Then I finished my 100 jobs application. Then as you can see, we're at 114, and it only took straight 2 hours and complete AI domination to finish this. So ayun, 100 jobs complete.
I just wanna die to lose it.